I don't know if you barely see it at nighttime, but it's my '07 LBZ freaking Duramax. Barely see it at nighttime. I'll take a video of it tomorrow where it is got more light. Picked up these tires. Got the 35 by 1250 on 20. Red Dirt Road MT mud train. Nice looking. Got some nice looking tread on them. The brand thinking new. Paid a good penny for them. Got a Tough Country 6-inch lift. Gonna be painted. It's a red paint job on it. We'll end up redoing the paint job. We'll paint it white. And then we'll do it. I got the badass torsion bar I just put on today. We got you probably see it, but there's the fucking shop where the torsion bar. I just fucking got some more right there and put on today. There's the fucking front. You barely see it, but got the truck running right now. Need a new motor, but it's very cheap to fix the camera. But there's rider front tires. But hell yeah, it's right. Got a fucking Tough Country version of 6-inch lift on it. Bad. I'm gonna get some wider wheels for it. I'm gonna get the same size, but 20 by 14. Put these tires on it. Stretch the tires, put a stretch on it with negative 76 offset. But yeah, here's the sound of the truck. You can see I got to put an after bump on it. Tomorrow I'll do a better video with that in the daylight so you can see the truck. But yeah, after that you can get straight pipe, 5-inch, going to a 6-inch tip. Fucking gnarly. Fucking bad, I like it. Like it a lot. But I gotta add better rear and I'm gonna put under it. Put a fucking Megatech differential cover. Too bad, I'm gonna build badass bumper for it. For the front, for the rear. I just bought these badass fucking LED tail lights. I'm gonna do an LED very light blue light, and there's one light bulb's out. So I'm gonna do LED. Then I gotta get to the LED third light. Shit. Even got my fucking badass fucking Lincoln fucking big welder. But do a different fucking bed. The bed's all bent up. I'm gonna try to get a better bed for it. But yeah, it's fucking bad. Fucking sick as hell. I'll do a video in the morning. Just want to give you an update. Peace.